Don Jazzy, Cora David. Ooh, see you, so pretty. You're my wonder, and we fit perfectly, baby. Ooh, you are my size, you, and you're my rubber, my baby rubber. You're my sindodo, my baby sindodo. You help me dindodo, my baby help me dindodo. My sweet potato. You are so beautiful. You're my princess, my African princess. Oh, and I'm your prince, oh, your African prince, oh. Oh, baby, I love Africa, African baby, African princess. Ooh, just like a dot, oh, just like it's it from my heart, oh. Why you do like a dot, oh, just 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 like a dot. You tip from my heart, oh.
Back in secondary school, Habib was a very different person. He was very quiet, into himself. But a complete turnaround was witnessed eventually. Habib has never forsaken me or anyone I know of. And I want to tell Baba baby and Mama baby that you have a blessing in Habib, inshallah. It will be a good addition to your family. And we pray that Allah will not forsake them and each and every one of you who is here tonight. Thank you.
So Khadija is an exceptionally friendly person with an amazing heart. I've never really met someone as amazing as her. She's always cheerful, always has a smile on her face, and there's never really a dull moment when Khadija is around. Habib, you're an extremely lucky man to have tied down this gorgeous lady. If I may please ask of you to please always cherish and protect this treasure of yours. I would also like to wish you guys nothing but Allah's rahmah and nur. May He Almighty always bless your home and always do away with any sorts of harm that may come your way. Allahumma ajirni fi masibati. Once again, congratulations to you guys.
First, I wish you a happy married life. Please respect Ya Habib. Cook all the dishes he wants. Yeah, cook everything. And also, Ya Habib, please and please take good care of our sister because very special and amazing. Ya Habib, you have such an amazing wife. I wish you nothing but the best. Please do take care of her. She's a very loving wife. She's a very loving sister, mother-to-be, wife, and everything. You're really lucky. And dear Khadija, I know you're really, really lucky to have him as your husband. Please do take care of him, okay? Thank you.
1, 2. Are you serious? Hey, Papa, when I'm bossing you, Papa. When I'm bossing you, Papa. When I'm bossing you, Papa.
Lokaci rana ya sanyi kamar ruwa a buta. Ƙananan yara na ta tabo a titi yana su shi wa makwabta na gulman business da titi. Abokina mafix yana wanke mota, ni kuma daidai na sai yau sabuwar Toyota. Ba a daɗe ba sai Femini ta mun waya, wai turaren sa ya ƙare mu je mu saya. Kai sai da shiga da yi waka da ciyayi, fresh boy, fly, high. Yanzu ne da kyau ne muka je Shoprite, idan muna kuma shiga a just size, wata fine girl. Wallahi tari, yin mata da kisa, maza a dari. Ina da tunanin mai zan ce mata, kamar sai da ce kusa da ita na ce mata. Aufa, aufa, aufa.
Kaftin sama ya shigo gari, aufa, aufa. Ya aka yi? Kaftin sama ya shigo gari, aufa, aufa. Ya aka yi? Kaftin sama ya shigo gari, aufa, aufa. Ya aka yi? Aufa, aufa. Sai na tambaye ta sunanta, sai ta ce wai tana tare da ƙawayenta. Sai na ce mata ai da na ganki sai na gigice, shi yasa na ja kusa in yi bincike. Kai sai ta ce wai sunanta Aisha, sai na ce Aisha, omo baby you fine sha. Sifa Genevieve, gaskiya kun yi kama. Baby you got me high kaman waka na sama, sama. Sai ta yi murmushi, fuska walkiya kamar ruwan elegusi. Me za ki ci? Oh, oh, ko kina so ki yi take away? Gaskiya you take my breath away. Not to brag but mutan arewa na ji da ni. Ki so mu je Kano ko Abuja ki gani. Aufa, aufa. Ya aka yi? Kaftin sama